Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. And today we're not just playing one match, not two, not three, not four, not five, too many matches. I don't fucking know how many matches to be exact, but we played over a lot of matches today, including the Carabao Cup against Chelsea. We lost brutal way. Arsenal 1-0. Also brutal way. Oh yeah. Also Norwich City 4-0. Yeah. And the league, Chelsea 6-2. And the rest I don't want to show. I'm just too lazy. And then I've played against Tottenham. I'm gonna show you the. Okay, let me show you the match real quick. Okay. Oh my God, we're back. We're so back in it. You have to be joking. Let's go! So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope all of you enjoy, and peace.